friend who runs an architecture business, and she recommended Belle Bathrooms to us, and we were going to go for some local tradies, and I am so glad that we didn't, because they have been exemplary. We found working with Belle Bathrooms an absolute delight. From day one, they padded all our floors, protected our walls. We stayed here during the renovation. They kept on time, daily cleaning our house, while the tradies were just fabulous. The team were here around the clock a lot of the time. There were no delays in any of our building process, and the creative flair and professionalism they brought to it, they've created our dream home for us. I would not hesitate to recommend Belle Bathrooms. Everyone should use this team because their professionalism, the way they collaborated with us, and the dream they created for us in our own home. We don't need to go away on holidays or anything anymore. They have built a resort in our home, and the love and care they showed, they're like family to us. They're fabulous.